Where are we going?
Mount LeConte.
What's the date?
July the 30th, 2010.
Jack, you ready? This is your first backcountry trip, buddy.
I feel like I have Tempe on my back.
Oh, really?
It says so in the Bible. Can't you just imagine a snake?
Did you take a picture, John?
Yeah, I'm getting a little video.
Oh, you're getting my video?
Mimi is gonna freak when she sees the video.
Coffee will be available in the office at 7 in the morning, so if you'd like coffee an hour before breakfast, just take your cup from your room up to the office. And Meredith is just a few shirts away from a day off of pay, so she will be up in the office at 7:30, dying for you to come up and buy a shirt. If you don't like Meredith, I'll be there in the morning from 8:30 to 9:30. Also, you may have seen there's a llama in camp. This is really important, can't stress this enough. Do not touch the llama on the head. He will spit on you. And this is Ranger Dave. That's the senior ranger.
And I just got one quick announcement. My name's Dave. I'm the interpretive ranger up here this season. And this evening, he mentioned when sunset is. For those of you who are interested in coming up a little bit early, at 8 o'clock, we'll begin a program about this national park's unique formation and history. So for those of you who are interested, head on up and meet me there at 8. So look forward to seeing you there.
Thank you.
Enjoy your dinner.
Y'all ready?
Ready? Let's go.
Hey Mama, look, I'm scaling a cliff.